Welcome back to the new video. So in this video, let's talk about the append operator in data workflow. Okay, so we have two tables here, which is DT1, where we have the data for students and marks, and we have the another table, which is for other set of data. So if we want to combine both the data together, we use append operator. So here in this table, we can just drag and drop this append, and here in the input, let's select this first table. Let's select the other table as well. And let's add this together with this operator. Let me put this console. Let me add the console here as well, just to see what is data 1 and data 2 in the console. Here I can write table 1, table 2, and here is the result. So if I click on save, okay, let's preview that. Yeah, if I click on submit, this is what we can see, right? We have this table 2 where we have put this data. We have this table 1 where we have this data. So with that append operator, both the tables are combined together or basically added together. As simple as that. So that's it from the today's video. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned for next videos. Thank you.